to Cooking with Reeve! Today we're gonna make Halloween Whoopie pies. First add cake mix. Second time that happened. Got the whole box in. And when I mean the whole box, I mean the whole box. Next add puddings. Not the box though. Don't put the box on. Next, add a half cup of vegetable oil into your bowl. Next, add 3/4 cup of water. Next, crack 3 eggs. Next, use a mixer. So you might need a parent's help. Put it on low. I filled the bag up and cut one of the corners. Now I'm gonna make swirls. They probably taste better than they look. Preheat the oven to 350. Bake it to 12 to 10 minutes. I'm a frost, I'm a frost, ready. Frost, sit. Add orange food dye to your frosting. I'm gonna get messy. When they're completely cooled off, flip one of your pies over. Put a lot of frosting. It's are gonna taste awesome. Next, put one of your cookies on the top. Oh jeez. This looks awesome. I can't wait to try it. Thanks for cooking with Reeve.